All right, first time using the lightning lane. Let's see if it works.
Excuse us, this is our person.
How long is it supposed to take?
Where's Joseph? Oh.
Is it 5 minutes?
Yeah, I think so. Wait, let's wait for Joseph.
Good there. Let's go.
Secure all skipper's items in the storage pouch. Once seated, be sure to lower the
Incredicoaster.
to your shoulder.
Ride number 2. Everyone's got to catch up. These slow folks over here could have done this 20 times until I was sick. So first time a single rider, now I did a lightning lane. We'll see if it's worth it. $35 for this. I have to book ahead of time.
I'm Elastigirl. For your safety, make sure you pull down on the shoulder restraints and with locks in place. Keep your head firmly against the headrest and remain seated with your hands or feet inside.
Good luck!
Oh, can you put this? It's not yours.
Right here, pocket.
It doesn't close.
Right here. Yeah, it's in my pocket. Huh? She's tripping. They're gonna try to ruin my fun. I already did this once. I'm an expert.
I wasn't prepared for this.
Asian driver, watch out. Hi. Hello.
Joseph, I'm not ready for this mentally.
Too late.
Keep your eye on Jack Jack.
All right, ready for the countdown, right?
Hold on! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Bye.
Cookie!
Going upside down. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Dude, my ears hang out.
Oh my god.
Oh, we got rear-ended.
Could you hand me my phone?
Yeah, it's in my right pocket though. There. There. taking a selfie. Good. The G forces.
Wait, let me see.
Joseph, you look hilarious.
Oh no, it changed.